When was the last time you changed your transmission fluid or your gear oil? It's been a minute, hasn't it? It's okay. Our kit has what you need to keep your Polaris Pro R shifting smooth. We're going to help you reduce wear and friction. The Polaris Pro R maintenance kit is a complete package that includes 1 liter of Maxima Racing high performance gear oil, 75W 140 fully synthetic side-by-side blend. 1 liter of Maxima Racing high performance transmission oil, premium blend. Basic tools are needed to do this job at home. Now I'm going to recommend everyone pick up a drip pan. This is godsend. Basically, you're going to make a mess, and this mitigates the mess, at least for getting on your concrete or your driveway or in your garage floor. This is very easy to clean up. It's got about a 1/2-inch lip, so it's going to contain a lot of fluid, very inexpensive, and you can use it for so many other things on your UTV or your vehicles at home. You're going to need a drip pan. I like the open top drip pan. I put some shop towels on the bottom to prevent splashing, but I also do that so I can see what's inside the fluid that I'm draining. This is the big tool right here. This is a pump. This is going to pump your fluid back into your differentials and your transmission. Tools. You need a ratchet and an H8 to break loose the drain plugs and the fill plugs. Maybe an extension, some more shop towels, and some latex gloves. Clean and prep the area you're about to work on. You don't want dirt, debris, mud, anything falling into the transmission case or the differential case. Take your time. There is no rush. To be fair, all we're going to be doing is removing a drain plug, cleaning that drain plug, allowing the fluid to drain into our pan that we put a rag in at the bottom, once it's finished draining, we're going to reinstall the drain plug. We're going to open up and remove the fill plug, which is an H8, and then we're going to pump our fluid into it. Then we're going to put our fill plug back in. The biggest job to all of this is not making a mess. Save yourself a massive mess in the event something spills. We've all been there, we've all done it. With the right maintenance kit designed for your Pro R, you will save time and money just doing it yourself. It delivers to your front door. All you need now is to visit us on the website at utvsource.com. Life's a ride. Make it your own.